You're staring at your camera right now, trying to record the same intro for the 8th time because your lighting changed, you stumbled over a word, or you just don't like how you look today. I need to tell you something that might actually bother you at first. The avatar you're looking at right now, it's not real, it's AI, and the uncomfortable truth is most viewers watching this can't tell the difference anymore. I spent months testing this process because I was exhausted from the setup, the retakes, and the constant worry. What I found was a way to create studio quality talking avatars in minutes that sync perfectly with any script I write, right here in HeyGen. By the end of this, you'll know the exact process I used to create a perfect AI avatar just like me. Step 1 is creating the base image. Forget changing platforms. We do this right inside HeyGen. You want to start with a high quality photorealistic photo. Navigate to the Avatars tab in your HeyGen dashboard and select the option to create a photo avatar. This is where the magic happens. You upload a high-quality front-facing photo of yourself or the persona you want to create. The key here is the photo quality. You need a clean image with soft, natural lighting and a genuine expression. No harsh shadows or weird angles. This base image directly controls how realistic your final avatar's movements will be, so don't rush this step. HeyGen's model is incredibly good at turning a great photo into a believable avatar. Now, let's make it talk. Once your photo avatar is ready, you select it in the video creation area. This is the exact workflow I use to create the video you're watching right now. Next, HeyGen gives you incredible voice options. You can use their extensive built-in library with hundreds of natural sounding voices in different languages and accents. Or, for the ultimate realism, you can integrate your own cloned voice. Don't just pick the first one. Listen to previews and find a voice that matches your avatar's personality. Friendly, conversational, and natural. Then, just paste in your script. This is what your avatar will say. You can type it directly or paste it from a document. And just like that, you hit generate. The value here is efficiency. You create your perfect avatar once, and then you can generate unlimited videos just by typing new scripts. No more camera setup, no more lighting checks, no more bad takes. The lip sync is flawless, matching every syllable, and the micro expressions make it feel like a real person is talking to you. This completely changes how you create content. If you want to try this yourself, get a free account with HeyGen and create your AI clone today. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.